So hello namaskar everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Ritika and today in this video we'll be doing a project overview of Primal Saundaryam Moshi, which is located near Lakshmi Chowk, Moshi, Pune and developed by Primal Groups. So in this video we'll be discussing about Willow Points, which is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before talking about the details, let me tell you first what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price unlike other current listing platforms. If you're just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform. So book your dream home directly with the developer through Housey. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट ओवरव्यू के बारे में. Primal Saundaryam will be constructed on 0.74 acres of land parcel consisting of one tower. Each tower will be having basement plus ground plus podium plus 14 floors with 2 BHK and 2.5 BHK premium residences. And now let's check out the surrounding and the connectivity of the project. As you can see, I am at the actual location of the project. आप मेरे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में देख सकते हैं, ये रहेगा इनका सेल्स ऑफिस और उसी के साइड में रहेगा इनका लैंड पार्सल. कमिंग टू द लोकेशन पार्ट ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट इज जस्ट लोकेटेड नियर लक्ष्मी चौक, मोशी, पुणे. और अगर हम कनेक्टिविटी की बात करते हैं तो कनेक्टिविटी आपको मिल जाती है ज़ूडियो विद इन 400 मीटर्स, डी-मार्ट विद इन 900 मीटर्स and Moshi PMT bus stand within 2.4 km. And now coming to the amenities part of the project has luxurious amenities like gazebo, jogging track, meditation space, open gymnasium, kids play area and many more. And now moving forward towards the carpet area of the project, Primal Saundaryam Moshi has 2 BHK and 2.5 BHK premium residences with 2 BHK starting from 719 to 751 square feet and 2.5 BHK starting from 875 to 896 square feet carpet area. And now let's discuss about the booking process of the project. Project booking windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain the complete project along with the 3D model. We'll share the pricing and payment schemes and we'll show you the actual location tour of the project also. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the booking process also. So everyone, this was the project overview of Primal Saundaryam Moshi, which is located near Lakshmi Chowk, Moshi, Pune and developed by Primal Groups. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो do let us know in the comment section, and for more such videos click on the given below link and do like, share and subscribe to Housey on www.housey.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.